Alright, here's Ken and Brooke showing us what they do on their super great gymnastic rings. Go ahead. Whoa. Wow.
I'm trying to teach Brooke how to actually do that.
Oh really? How to spin around? Okay.
You keep on bending and it goes back. How do you make it stop? Put me off here.
Oh my goodness. You guys are crazy. Oh, you're going to switch foot. Whoa. Impressive. No footsie.
That's one trick I've never learned. All I've done is sliding on that.
Oh yeah?
Okay, now it's me first, right? No, me. Then me. You went and then me. No, it goes you, then me. Yeah,
alright, go, hurry, somebody.
Hey! It was me.
Whoa. That was crazy. Alright, what are you going to do?
Different tricks at the same time, but she doesn't really know tricks on this stuff.
Whoa!
One time he went this way and knocked down the boot and knocked down the boot.
I know, you gotta be careful. There's a really nice elephants up there. Whoa!
And hand.
Nice.
No. I can make so.
Whoa!
Here, now give me that. Over there. Okay.
What's your best trick?
My trick. I can do it with arms. What are you doing? That's just so
Whoa, one hand. Okay. Oh, and a feet. Woo! You're pretty strong.
No, I can stick my hand to it.
Can you do a flip like Canada?
Yeah.
Flipping around?
Let's see. It's like running on the wall.
Whoa! You did it!
My arm kind of crunches when I do it.
Oh.
And it really hurts. Okay, my turn. No, and now it's my turn.
Oof, careful.
Ouch.
Oh.
That isn't even a trick.
You get the rope ladder?
Hey, that's
You like all this hanging down stuff?
Watch this.
Okay.
Let's see.
Watching.
Back up a little bit. That's the highest we get right now.
Okay. These are funny.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Alright, I gotta go check on the boys.
11, okay. 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, stop.
You skipped 15, but okay. Cool. Alright, adios.
Nice.